same division rules that are found in the league. Hand off there in first. Going out of Management City. Maintains. TV1 Elite Hotline. They're in the inside lanes. In contention as well. And TV1 Elite is going to get into that break line in second. Management City there in third. Shockwaves way out in front. They're in first. TV1 Elite trying to hold on. Valley United. And the Spinners are in third. Now Valley United is going to move up on the inside. We got around TV1. And these Spinners. Second and third place, stronger and stronger. Valley United moving it up, back up into second. The Shockwaves first in the final screen. Teams is going to overtake TV1. But TV1 is going to move back. They're on the inside of Management City. We have a battle there for fourth, fifth, and sixth. And the Pacific Coast Shockwaves are running in first. They're only around 200 meters left. Second, TV1 Elite has their high second and Valley United. Getting their round and move up into third. And now onto the wheels of one of these Spinners. And Management City moving up there as well. And TV1 Elite is now back into second. And these Spinners in third. And they're charged by Management City in third. And the Shockwaves will win. Pacific Coast Shockwaves, #1.